Hi, students who are taking an FMGE exam on July 2025 session, 3 days before the exam, what is the strategy? At the very outset, let me congratulate all of you for the dedication that you have shown for the dream to become a doctor is really commendable, and the kind of the efforts that you have taken to move from our country to an overseas country to get an MBBS graduation and come back to India to get into the licensing exam and pass this FMGE exam, for the efforts gone behind to do that is enormous and really appreciable. Now, this FMGE exam has become one of the most important vital point in your medical career to go on to the next stage of your medical profession. Having said that, you will be able to do it. Believe in yourself, be confident, you can achieve it. Feel positive, have a positive mindset, have a winning attitude. You'll be able to do it. The kind of preparation, the kind of dedication, the kind of hard work that you have gone through for so many years, for this preparation could be for past 6 months, 1 year or 2 years or 3 years, is going to get rewarded for you. Stay positive, go ahead with your preparation. Last 3 days of your preparation, kindly stay in an MCQ mode. Give minimum of 2 GTs per day so that you will be in an MCQ mode. You will be living in an MCQ mode. The language of the exam is MCQ. So be in that mode, be in a revision mode. Look on only to the wrong answers and just correct those wrong answers, because this can come again in the exam, so that you don't make a mistake. Correct on those things, and also try to believe that you need to give maximum number of questions in order to get your good results and the good scores in the FMGE exam. So on behalf of Dopamine, all the faculty members of Dopamine, we wish you all the very best and all the success for the upcoming July session of our FMGE exam. And all that you need to do is, a day before the exam, go to sleep at 10 p.m. and after that, take a complete rest. Next day morning when you wake up, yes, go on to the God, give a solid prayer, tell Him, I have worked for so many years, I have gone through so many things, I have suffered from so many aspects, I have given a dedicated preparation, I leave this exam to you, kindly help me, support me and assist me to give a clearance and a pass with a good score in this exam so that I can move on to the next stage of life. So now from now on, it is in your hands, so kindly guide me. After that, get onto your dress, the best of your dress that you believe sentimentally works for you. Go on with that dress to this examination hall. Before that, have an adequate meal. Food you should not skip. The morning food and the afternoon food, both you are not supposed to skip. Get on a high caloric diet and get a sweet before in hand. Ask someone to prepare a sweet for you, and even take chocolates and biscuits in your packets, carry it with you and eat before the exam. And then once you go to the examination hall, don't look into any of the competitors, don't look into any of other students. Thousands and thousands of students are preparing for this exam. What are my chances? Don't worry about all that. Don't get stressed into all those factors. Go to the examination hall, first to find the restroom. If there is no bladder or a half bladder or full bladder, empty the bladder first, then go to the examination hall. Then before you start the exam, again pray God and tell Him, all the questions of this exam should come from my area of preparation so that I can clear the exams with good scores. And go into the exam, give maximum number of questions, and then give with a reasoning. For all the questions, if you know the answer, give it straight away. If you don't know the answer for difficult ones, get some reasoning out of it. Use your brain and see where I have learned this, where I have read in this book, which video I have seen this, which GT I have seen this, so that have a reasoning for that question and give this exam. Day of the exam is very important than the time of preparation. So give a very good day and a dedicated day on the day of the exam that will decide your results. So you will be able to do good, and at the end of your exam, even if you get a headache, don't bother about it. You have given a good exam. Yes, and after the exam is over, completely relax yourself and always feel positive, feel good, be confident, believe in yourself. You'll be able to achieve it. You're born to achieve. You're going to win. You're going to clear, and you'll be able to do in this exam. Always believe in yourself. Don't have any doubt. Don't stress yourself. And this time you're going to make it. On behalf of, once again, of all the faculties of Dopamine team, we wish you all the very best and all the success for a great and a wonderful and a winning exam of July FMGE exam on 2025 session. Best wishes and all the best to you.